Hey guys, walk with me. In learning Spanish, I would highly recommend, if in case you want to learn Spanish, 5 most powerful verbs na pwede nyo i-start na i-memorize. The first would be ser, second would be estar, third would be poder, number 4 tener, and the number 5 is the word ir. So, ang ser is pwedeng magamit as I am, you are, he, she, they are. Magagamit yan for I am engineer, yo soy una ingeniero. Ang estar is parang condition or feeling. Very not example is estoy cansado, I am tired. Tener, to have. Tengo calor. Ay. Calor. Tengo hambre. Yan, gutom. And then poder, pag na-conjugate, puedo comer, I can eat. And lastly, ir, conjugate sa boy, which is ang lakas nung tricycle, pero lastly is ir, which is pag na-conjugate, voy a caminar, going to walk. So memorize nyo yung 5 powerful verbs at yung conjugation niya. Pwede ka na makapag-start ng speaking Spanish fluently. Yun lang. And again, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, TikTok, YouTube, Threads, and many more. Thank you. Bye.